Well, good afternoon, folks. It's Monday, May the 11th. I'm in Texas. Of course, I've been in Texas all day. I've been driving and driving and driving, and I'm still in Texas. Because, yes, Texas is that big. Anyway, we'll be dropping in Dallas. Dropping at the drop yard. Drop our load off here in Dallas, and then pick up yet another load. It's got to be delivered tonight. It's called a drop and hook. I'll drop that load off and get that in for payroll. Yeah. And then, whatever. But yeah, that's Monday for us. Jeez, this month is going by so quick. But anyway, that's that. Oh, good morning, folks. It is Tuesday, May the 12th. We're in Wilmer, Texas. Local time is 9:05 a.m. And I got some funny looking birds up in these trees. Hear how loud they are. But let me rotate the camera around. Yeah, sort of like CBS Sunday Morning. Yeah, our sons are nature. But, yeah, they're just loud as hell to begin with. But, their tail feathers are kind of oddly shaped. I don't know. But I figured you might enjoy that. Yeah, they're just loving that popcorn. Hi, this is Wild America. I'm Steve Irwin. Thanks for watching. So I went in the truck stop and I got some popcorn and decided I'd feed these odd looking birds. It rained last night, and there's puddles of water in the parking lot. The birds swoop down and grab a piece of popcorn and they fly off with it, go to a mud puddle, well, not a mud puddle, but they go to a puddle and get the water to help wash down the popcorn, gobble down the popcorn, and then they come back and they just keep repeating the process. There's a large bag of Smart popcorn, and they're just tearing it up. Well, folks, good afternoon. It is Wednesday, May 13th. It's actually 5:20 p.m. local time. I'm currently in Illinois and taking my 30-minute rest break. I woke up to my driver telling me, my trainer telling me, so hey, gotta get up. We're fixing to pull into this gas station or fuel station. Stop saying gas station because the truck runs on diesel. But pulling into a truck stop, and he's just about out of time, and we had to do a turn and burn, which means I had to get up and get in the truck and get going, because as soon as we dropped our load, we had another load to go and pick up, and all that good stuff. So yeah, we've been running hard and we've been running heavy, and now we're fixing to go to Ohio. Yep, it's fun. Well, good Thursday morning to you, folks. It's May 14th, Thursday. It's 9:47 local time. We're at a Love's, fixing to get another shower. We did some turning and burning past couple days, and well, we'll take quick showers and then do some more turning and burning. We got load going to Lavania, Michigan. Ever hear of Lavania, Michigan? Neither have I. But anyway, yep. So that's where we're headed to, Livonia, Michigan. So, greetings from Michigan. Yeah, Michigan. I stopped at a rest area to use the bathroom, went to wash my hands, and man, that water was fresh out the lake. It was cold. I usually don't use those hot air dryers to dry my hands. I prefer paper towels, but well, at this Michigan rest area, I use a hot air dryer, not to dry my hands, but to warm my hands up because they were frozen like a popsicle. Oh my God, that water was cold. Whew. I'll tell you, Michigan, yep, it's cold. Although it's not too bad out here. It's like, 64 degrees. So, not too bad. Unless you live in Florida, then you're like, 64 degrees, oh my God, I'd freeze to death. But, you know, that's what happens when you live in Florida. Oh yeah, it's only 100 degrees out, you know, it's warm. I don't know how many people in Florida can deal with those hot temperatures. Nope, nope, nope. Between the hot temperatures, the alligators, and the bugs. Nope, Florida, not a place I want to live. Nope, no thank you. Well, good morning, folks. It's Friday. Friday, May 15th, 7:50 a.m. And we're still in the door at the receiver at our first stop. Actually slept overnight in the door at the receiver at our first stop. Now, for most normal people, Friday is like, yeah, it's the weekend. Well, in the world of the reefer driver, at least at Prime, Friday means payday. Other than that, Friday don't mean nothing. It's just another day in trucking. But yeah, you know, we got a 3-stop load here, and we're still at our first stop. We're supposed to be out of here no later than 8:30, and it's 7:51 local time. Yep, they're just pissing on the wheels of progress. But that's trucking. We arrived at our 90, and well, they don't have a loading dock. We really shouldn't be here because, you know, there's barely enough room for the box trucks to maneuver. And yeah, this is going to be interesting. Well, it was a little easier than I anticipated once we got the other 2 box trucks out of our way. Basically just hung a right, stayed tight up against the building, straightened out the trailer. There's a straight line back into, well, now here's the fun part. They got a carrier fork truck on a forklift, or a pallet jack on a forklift, lift that into the trailer so that they can load, or offload rather, all the shit in the back of the truck onto the forklift, load that out of the way, and then take the pallet jack out. Yeah, because they don't have a loading dock. Sucks to be them. That's why I love reefer jobs, because no touch cargo. I don't have to deal with all this crap. That's their problem. I just sit my lazy ass in the seat and watch all the fun. Well, I spoke too soon, so they wanted me to get closer to the building. It's whatever. So, alright, you want me to get closer to the building? That's fine. So, I managed to get about a foot closer to the building. We got just enough room to swing the doors open. Because, you know, first we opened the doors and they're like, no, leave the doors closed, leave the doors closed. Whatever. Anyway, so now it's in the process of being unloaded. Yep. Definitely interesting. Definitely interesting. Oh, by the way, hi Kiersey. Still not as bad as that delivery you had to make blindsiding off of some road in Philadelphia. You remember which one it was? I don't know if it was Allegheny or Castor or whatever, but you know, one of those roads. It's not quite that bad, but it's a close second or third. All right, so we got that got that load delivered, and we're once again at a Love's. What a surprise! But this Love's it looks like it's brand new. A ton of parking, and this Love's is pretty empty, which is surprising because there's usually a lot of trucks parked at Love's. But you know, it's also noon, so that might have something to do with it. Watch out the Swift driver don't run me over. Well, good morning, folks. Start of my shift. We're just outside of
out of route. Drive to route line. Proceed southwest on Reedlow Road in 182.
Okay, we're in Illinois.
Turn right to Edwardsville Road.
Yeah, just outside of St. Louis. Anyway, we're fixing to get going here. I'll talk to you later. Folks, Captain Banana here. And I stopped at a rest area in Missouri. And I wouldn't even call it a rest area. I mean, it's just a glorified porta potty. Like, these things are nasty. I mean, if I'd known they were going to be this nasty, I would have kept going and going to a truck stop. Like, the hell with this. Well, folks, it's 11:30 p.m. local time on Saturday, May 16th. We're on Interstate 40. We've been sitting a few hours. There's an accident. I don't know, like exit 4, and we're at, what are we at, exit 20 or mile marker 23? Something like that. Yeah, backup is long backup. People on the CB were talking, the accident happened at 4 p.m. and or 3 p.m. or something like that. Like I said, it's 11:30. Yeah. Yeah, well, that's one of the bad things about trucking. Sometimes you're getting these long backups. There's really nothing you can do about it but sit and wait and make videos of nothing. That's all. Well, good morning, folks. It's Captain Banana. It is Sunday, May 17th. I'm doing my video in the only place where I really have time because, well, there was an accident on the highway last night. We only went 40 miles in 4 hours. And, yeah. So, talk about pissing on the wheels of progress. Yep. Trainers did not make it far, so it's up to us students to get it into California. Of course, they tell us, oh, you gotta wear masks. You know, you're in New Mexico, you gotta wear the masks. I get in here, half the people in the place ain't wearing masks. This whole mask thing is just really getting ridiculous.
Get on there and look up Captain Banana.
Whatever. I have my,
It's funny.
yeah. It is what it is.
Yeah.
Hey folks, it is Sunday, May 17th, 2:40 a.m. local time. We're swapping out of the Love's. Our trainers didn't get very far. There was a really bad accident on I-40 last night. They only managed to get about 20 miles, so yeah, 20 miles in like 5 hours. Yeesh. So it's up to us students to get the job done. Okay, folks, Captain Banana here. Well, once again, I'm at a Lowe's, and it's shower time. That's right. Nice big shower. Shower, toilet, big bathroom. And towels and all. So, yep, I backed the tractor and trailer in by myself. I mean, there was somebody watching, you know, some innocent bystander decided, oh, I'll watch the other side for you. And I took what Eric taught me, backed it in there, and you know, for the most part, did a pretty good job. I mean, Eric had to give me a couple of pointers, but hey, I'm learning.